Hey guys, just wanted to send this video from my house real quick. Great job this weekend. It was neat to see that sea of blue as all of you guys stepped up and wore your blue shirts. Numbers were up. I don't know exactly what they were, but we got a chunk of people signed up every service there, so good job. As you run this race, so-called as a neighborhood leader for this semester, I wanted to give you 3 simple goals that when you accomplish these goals, you'll know you ran this race well by the end of this semester. So here's the 3 things. 1, make sure that you establish a win event for every one of your neighborhood groups outside of Halloween. 2, make sure that you have a co-neighborhood leader by the end of this semester working with you in your neighborhood. And 3rd, make sure that we have a new group in one of those pioneer areas established by the end of this semester. Accomplish that, guys, and you ran this semester well. You guys are awesome. Great to have you on the team, and we'll talk to you later.